what do you like best about elevators?
I like the call buttons
You like the call buttons?
and the indicator.
The indicators. Okay. I'm impressed. You understand the terminology of it. Yep.
So the fire ones, if they don't use the opener and fire, they also have those ones too.
That's right. Do you know what they call that? That's called fireman service.
Yeah.
That's so that the firemen can use the elevators, but nobody else, right?
Yep. Because they have to see because they have to make sure it's safe.
That's exactly right. They don't want anybody to do that. And there's the stop switch.
You push and then you have to pull it back out.
Exactly. Exactly. And over here we have, see how they say different numbers? G and 2?
Oh, yeah.
So we try to get them all the different kinds, depending on what we need.
So when they have G and 2, that means it's the ground actually?
That's right. You're right. And we get all different kinds. See, B.
Yep.
We
B
can
is the
change them.
basement.
B is the basement. Yes, it is. Nice. Yeah. There's some cables that we're going to use up there for some of our cable jobs. And then we have the oil over there for some of the ones that are oil jobs that have the piston in the ground. This is all the wiring we have to do. When we go to put an elevator in, we have to run a lot of wires. Because we need to they use electricity, so we have a lot of wires that we have to run. We have a lot of that. This is all elevators that we haven't even shipped yet. There's still a lot of them to go. We have crews out there all the time just going crazy, throwing out stuff and putting elevators in left and right all day, every day. We have them go all the way to Vermont, Connecticut, and all throughout Massachusetts and New York. And they ship all out of here, and Glenn does it all. He puts it all in the truck and ships it all out there, and the guys have to unload.
For the inspection, sometimes they make them bring all these weights onto the elevator.
To make sure that it can go up and down even with all this weight on it, to make sure it's safe. So every 5 years, every elevator has to have these weights put on it.